Hi guys, welcome back to Pop Kitchen. I'm Rose from Cheap Lazy Vegan, where I make easy vegan recipes. And today I'm gonna show you guys an easy peanut satay udon noodle bowl in just 10 minutes or less. Last time I made a sushi bowl and I happened to make it within the 10 minutes. And today I'm gonna challenge myself to do the same with this dish. So wish me luck, I hope I can do it. And let's see what happens. Either way, it's gonna be delicious. So let's get started. 10 minutes on the clock, we've just started it. All right, so we have here a little pot of water. I'm gonna bring this to a boil. And that's gonna be for our udon. So we're gonna wait until that starts to boil, and then we can start with other things, okay? All right, so the second step. So now that we have the water boiling, we are going to add a little bit of oil into a large wok. And then let's let that heat up. And while that's heating up, we can chop our veggies. So we're gonna chop some onion. I'm gonna use 1/4 of an onion here. This is just for one serving, so feel free to make double, triple, quadruple, depending on how much you're making. Okay, so 1/4 of an onion. We also have some baby bok choy here. So we're gonna just roughly chop it. It really doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just gonna really roughly chop it. Okay, and we also have 1/4 of bell pepper. So I have some leftover bell pepper that I'm just gonna use. Just gonna cut it into thin strips. All right. All right, so now we can throw the veggies into the wok and start cooking that. All right, so we're getting that started. Let's just, how much time do I have? Oh my, okay. So we also have 1/3 cup of chickpeas. I always like to add in some sort of protein into my dishes. So I like to add beans. Beans are a really quick way, like canned beans. Having a can of beans is always really convenient for really quick meals. So I like to throw that in there. We're just gonna let that cook. It should be fine if we just leave it. And now we can make a sauce. We're gonna make a nice quick peanut satay sauce. It's gonna be super easy. It's gonna be so delicious. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. This is for me, guys, so I can lick my fingers if I want to. We're gonna do 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. You can use agave nectar as well, or maybe some other sweetener. We're gonna do 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. You can also use like rice vinegar if that's what you have. We're gonna do 1 tablespoon of soy sauce or tamari, some sort of soy sauce equivalent. And then let's add in 1/2 tablespoon of red curry paste. This is what's gonna give it a nice kick. If you don't have red curry paste, you can add in some sort of chili sauce or something like that. Let's just give this a little stir here. All right, so now we can mix in the sauce ingredients together. Mix it nicely. It'll come together, I promise. Oh my God, what time is it? Okay, so I think the water is pretty much boiling. I'm gonna throw the udon noodles into the boiling water. And the beauty of these is that they're pretty much pre-cooked and they just need about 2 minutes to boil. All right, I think we'll be fine. I have faith in this. I have faith in myself. Guys, this is so delicious. So the sauce has come together nicely. And honestly, we just have to wait for the udon to cook. But in the meantime, let's just check up on the veg. It's cooking up nicely. And then you guys, we're gonna chop up a green onion. This is going to be just for garnish. It's optional, but I always like to add a little bit of green onion at the top of pretty much every dish I make. So highly recommend, since we have some time anyways, waiting for the udon to finish. All right. Let's check up on the udon. Ooh. All right, I have drained the udon noodles and I'm just gonna throw it straight into this pan. And then we're also gonna throw in the sauce. Oh my God, it's so good, you guys. I'm telling you guys, this is so delicious. Now I like to add in, you know what? So because I don't really like to waste this sauce, I like to splash a little bit of water in here and then just get all that sauce, guys, get all that sauce. And throw in some water into the pan. It'll make it kind of nice and saucy as well. Woo. Oh my God, do you see this? Do you see how beautiful this looks? I mean, if I may say so myself. All right, now let's plate it. Ooh, come on. Can you even see it? Woo! Just finished in time. You guys, I literally just made it in time. So that's it, you guys. This is the peanut satay udon noodle bowl. I made it within the 10 minutes, literally within the 10 minutes, and it was simple to make. It's so quick, and it was definitely a challenge, but I still made it within the 10 minutes, so I'm pretty proud of myself. So now it's time to try this. Ooh. So udon noodles are super chewy, delicious, and they're perfect because they take like no time to make. So let's try this. Guys, you must try this recipe. It is so good. It's so creamy, it's chewy, it is satisfying, it's delicious, it's quick. You can make it in 10 minutes or less. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe and I hope you try it out yourself. Make sure you subscribe to Pop Kitchen for more videos like this, and of course check out my YouTube channel, Cheap Lazy Vegan. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!